Yo, it's your boy, it's your new, aka OGTHEGOD, aka OGTHEGOD, aka OGTHEGOD, aka One Take New, aka K-Bully, the various cities, aka Mr. aka Vladimir, aka Boo Spraying. I'm back here with another reaction video, and this time reacting to types of aux chords used by Love Live Serve. Shout out all the shout out the guys. I'm reacting to the videos, maybe left all the time. Subscribe to them. Subscribe to them if you haven't seen them. They make dope skits, funny videos, everything like that. But without further ado, man, let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on got a 10K subs, so every sub council is for me issue form. Godbox.com/OGTHEGOD. Switch down below. Go check it out. Free way to donate. But without further ado, man, let's get into it. Let's get it, man. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
What's goody? It's your boy Rhino. You guys are watching Love Live Serve. This is Types of aux chord Users Part 3, and we are excited to say that this video is brought to you by our wonderful sponsor, Joyride. On Joyride, you can play in live trivia and music game shows streamed to your phone throughout the day. You guys can compete against others as you try to name that tune with Music Mania, which is their biggest show on the app. They give you 10 seconds to identify a song as it plays, and if you get all 9 songs right, you win. And the best part is, you can win real money. Like, Joyride literally pays out real money when you win. You can play it against your friends, or you can even video chat and play as a team. What NFL team did Brett Favre quarterback for 60 Green Bay Packers? Thank you, sports expert. Me. What's the fashion line? Easy. Double bonus. Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore. I didn't even think. Thank you. Where's my crown? Oh, there it is. Guys, this is my favorite app. Add me. Rhino Soccer 2. Add me if you want to get obliterated and crushed. And there are other game shows too, like Film Frenzy, where you guess the movie from watching a scene, or Top Pop, where you win by picking the answer you think most people are going to pick. New shows are streaming live throughout the day, so you can hop on at any time of the day. And did I mention it's free on iOS and Android? So make sure you guys do us a huge favor and download Joyride. First link in the top of the description, or you can download it by clicking the pinned comment on this video. Joyride, check them out, download them. Thanks, guys. Now, the video, aux chord users part 3. You guys know the deal by now? There's so many different types of aux chord users, like the possibilities are limitless. So let us know if you guys ever want to see another one of these. But this is types of aux chord users part 3. Let's get it.
The tough guy whose music taste doesn't match his exterior.
Come on, man. Can I get the aux now?
Okay, sorry.
Damn, dude. Playing all that sweet, fruity shit.
It's just my taste.
Come on, man. All that soft stuff, man.
Okay,
Why are you playing that for so long?
You got it.
All right, I'm putting on something. Finally.
Help me. It's like the walls are caving in. Sometimes I feel like giving up.
Is the right one?
What's the issue?
Is the right song?
Yeah, that's what I meant to put on.
Laying on the bathroom floor.
Oh, okay.
I'm overwhelmed and insecure.
You listen to Sean?
You got a problem with this? Shawn Mendes, yeah. Shawn Mendes slaps.
But I just can't. It isn't like that.
The 16-year-olds who hit their jewel while they listen to Russ or Jaden Smith. Wait a second. Dude, can you even drive?
Heck no. This is my mom's car, but I drive it all the time.
Oh my God, you're a freaking savage, dude. That's lit. Oh my God. Wait, where's the aux? You got it? Yeah. Thanks, bro. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, you gotta put that crank on.
Crank it on. Ready?
Got it out before they respect that me. Always spread the love when I get
Hard lit, dude.
got your hand out.
Oh my God. Where's the jewel? Where's our jewel? I left mine at home. You got your jewel? Sam got the jewel. Sam got the jewel. Wait, how much Nick is this?
50 Nick.
50 Nick. Let me do it. 50 Nick. No, you can't do that. You're driving, dude.
Right.
You can't do 50 Nick while you're driving.
You should do it.
Hit it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Hit it. 50 Nick.
Stop right there. Did you really think I was gonna hit this jewel? Don't ever judge a book by its cover. In no way, shape, or form do we here at Love Live Serve condone jeweling. Actively giving yourself a nicotine addiction? What? Hey, shout out Kush Poppy. Next thing.
The thirsty guy who puts on the one song he knows the girl is going to like.
Yo, bro, can I get the aux real quick?
Yeah, here you go.
Thank you. Just gonna put on one of my favorite songs here.
Oh my God, wait, I love this song.
Oh, you do?
This is like my favorite song.
It's like one of my favorite songs.
No way.
Yeah, no.
I love this song. I didn't know you would like this. Oh my God.
I know, I'm gonna like
I
it.
love this song.
I mean, you know, it's just me or whatever.
Oh my God, no wait. I love it. Oh my God, that's so funny. Wait,
Timothy. Huh? It's that time again.
Keep this car up, man. Let me hear a new song.
Okay.
Looking forward to this one, man. What you got?
All right, here we go.
All I gotta say, stay away from the fake. Ice up on my neck and look like I just swim the day. I just told that bitch to give me face, get on my place. Nigga, $250,000 in a month, ain't got the date. I just wanna feed my family like every day. You a fake and you a snake, I see it in your face. I forgot, I'm the one that's about to pop. I'm the one that's at the top. I'm the one that CJ top.
The guy who mumbles the whole song because he doesn't know the lyrics.
Damn, pushing 50. Like this real crazy, real bad. Damn, called Diddy. You the one that called Diddy. Damn, Gordon. Can't take a fucking joke.
Bro, you don't even know the words.
I do. Bro, you saying it can't stand up. Let's get it. Marshall, it's down. You're doing this shit.
Okay, dude. No. Okay, if you had a gun to your head right now, and the only thing you could do to save your life is to pick a song and rap it word for word, who you choosing?
Easy. Lil Baby, drip too hard. Say less. I can do it word for word, ready? Plug this in, and...
I said if you had a gun to your head, you had to rap it word for word. You're dead.
No, I'm not. I just nailed that. I literally did every word.
The thug who hears Ariana Grande for the first time. Hey man, put something on. Oh, me? Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Thought I'd end up with Sean, but it wasn't a match.
Who's this? Ariana Grande.
Now I listen and laugh.
She kinda cold.
Even almost got married. And for Pete, I'm so thankful.
She kinda hard.
Guess I thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel.
This shit hard as fuck, dude.
Thank you.
Next. Thank you. Next. The guy who plays a song that nobody knows.
Hey, man, mind if I get the AUX?
Oh, you sure?
Yeah, just one song.
All right, but like, be careful. Remember last time?
Yeah, well, you forget that. Just get one song.
Okay.
Ready?
Sure. And...
What's going on?
What is this?
You don't know this?
The Screamo guy! Nobody in this car is about to play Screamo music. We're not doing that. Next one.
The white guy who always gets invited to the black barbecue. All right, off to Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. Here's AUX.
Cool.
Somewhere I know one thing's for sure. I'm gonna put on my dancing shoes, and I'ma hit the door and go out and step the whole night through. Step in the name of love. I'm gonna step in the name of love, and I'm gonna step in the name of love. Oh yeah, step in the name of love. I'm gonna step in the name of love. Step in the name of love. In the name.
The guy who doesn't have an aux cord, so you gotta listen to the radio. Yo, you mind changing this?
Oh. Yeah, I can change this station. Yeah, I know. My parents, I'm trying to get them to give me the new card. It's like...
What's up, guys? You made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. First things first, we want to give another thank you to Joyride for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys click the first link at the top of the description and download it and try it out yourself. Feel free to add Rhino and I on the app so we can play each other. Super cool app. Joyride is awesome. Go check it out. And while we're at it, let's give our shout out to the Surf Squad member of the day. So shout out to... Thank you so much for watching. If you want to be the next Surf Squad member of the day, all you have to do is follow Rhino and I on Instagram, post a picture using the hashtag Surf Squad, and tag both of us. Simple as that. Alright guys, new videos coming soon. Appreciate every single one of you. Have a blessed day. Peace.
right there. Yo, this video on point. I love watching this shit because, you know, it's actually funny and relatable and everything like that. So make sure you guys, you know, go check the video out and everything like that. Show them love. Shout out, you know, Loveless Serve. Shout out Rhino, Noah Boat, everybody. It's been your boy OGTHEGOD, OGTHEGOD. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn post notifications up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.